All three missing Indian seafarers have died after a U.S. military strike on a tanker in the Gulf of Oman. Indian Shipping Minister Sarbananda Sonowal confirmed the deaths of the Indian crew members aboard tanker Settebellu. U.S. military has confirmed that its forces carried out a precision strike on the vessel for violating its naval blockade. Meanwhile, another vessel with Indian crew members has come under attack in the Gulf of Oman. Reports say MT Jalveer came under attack off the Shenas port of Oman, and this is the third such incident in the region in the last 48 hours. Earlier, Indian government confirmed that 3 Indian seafarers who went missing after an attack on their tanker off the coast of Oman have died. Union Minister for Ports, Shipping and Waterways, Sarbananda Sonowal, announced the development in a post on social media platform X. Sonowal said that it was deeply unfortunate to learn of the tragedy aboard the Palau-flagged vessel MT Settebellu. He confirmed that the 3 Indian crew members who were initially reported missing have now been declared dead following the recovery of 2 bodies, while efforts concerning the remaining victim continue. 24 Indian crew members were on board the vessel. 21 of them have been rescued. The U.S. military confirmed the attack, saying its forces disabled the Palau-flagged tanker in the Gulf of Oman for violating the ongoing blockade and attempting to transport oil from Iran. It said that an American aircraft fired precision munitions into the ship's engine room after the crew repeatedly failed to comply with directions from the American forces. And this comes just a day after 24 Indian seafarers were rescued from the U.S.-sanctioned tanker Marivex off the Oman coast. On June 8, U.S. CENTCOM had claimed responsibility for the attack on the Marivex. It said that U.S. forces fired a precision munition from USS Abraham Lincoln after the crew allegedly failed to comply with directions. In a statement, India's Ministry of External Affairs has termed the attacks deeply worrisome and has linked it to the West Asia conflict. The MEA has also asked for immediate de-escalation of tensions. Indian authorities summoned the U.S. Chargé d'Affaires Jason Meeks to register protest amid growing concerns over escalating attacks on shipping in the volatile region. At the UN Security Council, India expressed concern at the West Asia conflict, urging protection of shipping and freedom of navigation.
Many Indian nationals have lost their lives or are missing as a result of attacks against countries of the region and against merchant vessels and sea lanes of communication.